and mentorship is powerful. You may not have met someone you admire one on one to talk to you, but you can read his life experiences, his life story in a book. It's so easy now that you can access those materials at your fingertips. So you may want to even maybe go for the audio podcast. You may want to download the video where he was interviewed and he told his life experiences. And these were some of the things that are helping me now. I learned from a lot of people, experts in the industry, and it has made it in a way that I don't repeat the same mistake I was making when I first started, because those mistakes were costly. I lost substantial amount of money. And in this video, I'll be showing us some of the mistakes I made and how you can avoid them. And if this is your first time of coming to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification button so that when I create a new video, you get to know about it. And also, it is my prayer that we all learn from each other. And if you have any question at all, drop it on the comment box. I will be here to just answer all your questions. Now, dangerous mistakes I made while trading cryptocurrency. Number one, sending a particular coin to a different network. Sending a particular coin to a different network. You may feel it is simple, but you have to be careful, very careful. Never be in a haste to make these mistakes. Now, the various cryptocurrency available operate on different blockchain. We have Binance Smart Chain is a different blockchain from the Ethereum smart contract. We have the Solana blockchain. We have the Phantom blockchain. We have the Avalanche blockchain. There are several blockchain available now, Chronos, that you must be careful when you are interacting with them. And those blockchain, especially, they have USDT compatible. So, sorry, they all have USDT in their ledger. So you will find USDT, the same name, the same acronym. You will find USDT in Binance Smart Chain. You find USDT in Ethereum smart contract. You find USDT in Solana. You find USDT in Phantom. You find USDT in Avalanche. And if you are not careful to know the different chains this USDT operate on, you will still repeat this mistake. Now, how do I identify the USDT of the different blockchain available? Is what I will be showing us in this video. So in a short moment from now, I'll take us to my wallet where I will be able to identify the various USDT and their chains. So on your screen here, this is my Binance mobile app. Assuming, or this is what I did. I had USDT on my Trust Wallet and I wanted to send it to my Binance account. And I did not take note of the chains. So what I did was this. And it's normal in crypto if you are not a novice, if you want to send, let's say, any fund at all, digital assets now to a particular wallet, you need to copy the public key of that account. Then you take it and paste it to where you are sending it from. So one of the things I will do here now that is expected of me to do is to copy the public key of my Binance account. So what I will do here now is to click on the USDT, seeing that it is USDT I am holding or I want to send to this account. So I'll click on USDT. It will pop up like this. Now, it was not like this then. So now is even more easy. You see the option of the various chains. So now this option clearly states that the USDT you want to send, is it of BNB Smart Chain and under the BP20? If it is yes, you click on it and you copy the public key. Or if it is not, you go back, you click on USDT again, the chains will come up, the blockchain, the various blockchain that have enabled USDT on their trading platforms. So there are many here. You see the adverse, you see the BP2, you see Ethereum. There's also USDT in Ethereum, Polygon, Solana, and Tron. So these are the various blockchain that you can find USDT still carrying the same name. So you need to know from, like in my case now, I have my USDT on my Trust wallet. Let me open it. Okay, let's say this is my wallet and I want to send USDT. I'll just type the search button USDT. So the option that came out, as you can see on your screen, there are several options now. They are not too much here. I think this wallet need to be updated because it's more than three. Now you are seeing USDT under the BP20. You are also seeing USDT still under the BP20 again. So there's USDT on the Avalanche blockchain. Now they must be compatible with each other, both where I'm sending it from and where I'm sending it to. So if it is USDT Avalanche under the Avalanche chain, the address I will copy from my Binance Smart Chain now, Binance account will be from Avalanche. It will be this one. So I'll click on OK. So it will be this one. Then I'll take it to my Trust, my wallet here, and I'll click on this. Then click on Send. Enter the wallet address here. Then enter the amount. So you must know the chain you are sending from and the chain you are sending to. It is very vital. They must be the same to avoid loss of fund. So when I did it then to a different network, I was looking for a way where I can get it back. I never knew that cryptocurrency transactions are immutable. Once it is done, it is final. So one of the things I did then, I contacted the support team, the Binance support team. I laid my complaint. I said, I need your help. I sent USDT from Kronos network to my Binance dApps account, only to notice it not supported on the Binance account. Please help me recover my coin. Then I gave detail of my transaction ID, which is this one you're seeing here, then of my account address. This is my account address. Then this is what this was their response. Binance support team. They say, hi, we are sorry to inform you that due to the nature of the blockchain, the nature they are talking about here is due to the fact that the blockchain transaction on the blockchain are immutable. They cannot be recalled. Once it is done successfully, the coin has been sent. And if you are not lucky, if you do any mistake like this one I did when I first started, you will lose that amount of money. And if it is a substantial amount, it's a great loss. So I sent USDT from Kronos to my Binance account that they do not have that coin listed on their platform. So I was in a haste, I was rushing, I didn't know, I didn't observe very well, and I did this mistake. So now you can avoid doing this mistake if you will do some of the things I have highlighted. One, check and double check the chain you are sending to. They must be compatible, both the sender's account and the receiver's account. They must be of the same chain. USDT of the various chain cannot interact with each other. They can only do this on a multifunctional dApps, and there are procedures to do that. But if you are sending it from a private wallet to a centralized wallet, you must check for the you must check the network or blockchain you are sending to. They must be compatible. So this is the first mistake I made while starting trading cryptocurrency. So dangerous mistakes I made while trading cryptocurrency number two. Number two is investing in a project that you have not researched on, or in a project that you have not read their white paper, which contains the roadmap, the tokenomics, the vision and the mission of that project, and how they intend to solve a particular problem, and how they were able to even identify those problems, both in the space and in real life. So in the early days, I wasn't really enlightened to know all of this. So I was just picking projects at random and investing my money in them. And I made a huge mistake doing that, and I lost quite a substantial amount of money. I was rug pulled. The project later disappeared into thin air, went away with investors' funds, never returned again. It is good that you listen to people, but above the advice or the information you are getting from people is your ability to still do your personal research and your personal studies. You may be seeing a loophole that that person delivering this information might not be seeing, and that will be one of the edge you have over this person. That okay, you told me you invested this, you invested your money into this project, maybe project A, and you in turn now in just in a week's time you have recovered your capital and you are already in profit. It sounds very nice, but being sounding very nice is not an investment tool or an investment strategy for you to jump into. You must do your diligent research, ask for the white paper, ask for places where those projects you can find more information about those projects. Make inquiries, read their white paper, study it. I cannot stop emphasizing on studying and researching before you do any investment at all, or pick any of those investment um, tools or um, projects that are currently available. So it is vital. So I made a huge loss, very huge one, in the early days. And some of the projects I invested my money into, if you have heard of it, Profit Hub. There was this project. The profit was juicy as of then. In fact, there were people that were earning on a weekly basis, and they were earning quite an amount of money that was huge. But at the end, a lot of people were pulled. the money loss was greater than the profit ever made. So that is number 2. Dangerous mistakes I made while trading. Number 3, not taking profit when currency are at their peak. In a bull market, it is very juicy for you to just be staring at your coins, staring at your money. You have a fat bag. It brings a lot of comfort that finally you are now financially free. But you fail to understand that the market is not constant. It is not static at all. It is not anybody's father's house. It could rise today, drop tomorrow. I've seen project and assets that they did as high as plus 95%, and in a week it dropped by 70% or even greater than that. So one of the investment strategy you have to a kind of practice and know about is taking profit when cryptocurrency are at their peak. Wise investors, this is what they do. They come in bear markets when everything is down and pour in a lot of money, buy a lot of legit projects, coin, NFTs. It is when market is cheap that you see them. Then when market is none up, when there is a bull run, those guys don't buy during bull run at all. They don't. And during bull run, the hype is very high, strong. Everybody is interested. All of a sudden, Bitcoin is $100,000. Oh, people are interested to buy. You see a lot of people buy. It will still pump. You don't make investment decision that way in a digital world. It will still fall. So the perfect time to buy is in bear market, and the perfect time to sell and make and maximize profit is in bull market. And this comes with a lot of sacrifices. It is not when you have been liquidated you want to sell. No, you be patient. There is a bull market coming, and this bull market will be massive. Those that are investing now will be the millionaires and billionaires in the next bull market. So it is very vital that you take profit when coins are at their peak. So if you invested, like, let me show us something here. There is a chart I want to show us. Bitcoin as of last, I think a few days back, was trading at $20,000 or between $19,000 and $20,000. It fell up to that range. But like the start of this week and yesterday in particular, even today, look at the pump. It increased. And let me show us the chart. This should be a day chart. Let me show us the all-time high chart. I think let me see what's happening here. The network is a little bit slow. Okay, I think it's up here. Let me go back to 7 days. This will explain it better. Okay, now let's say this was 27th of July. Bitcoin rose from, let's say, let me see. Okay, let's say it was, I'm trying to get something here. Let's try a day chart. I think it will be more better using a day chart. So it was $23 on the 21st of July, and it began to depreciate, and today we have it trading at 22,000 plus dollars now. So what am I saying in essence? What I'm trying to say in essence is this: when cryptocurrency are at their peak, that is the right time to take profit. Like, let's say this should be one of the bull run where we saw this 2021, this 11th of August 2021. So this is the all-time high of the last bull run. Bitcoin traded for $67,566. And this was the peak ever in the history of Bitcoin. So now it you may be just you may be comfortable looking at it and not even taking profit. So it began to crash. It crashed to 57,000 plus dollars on the this should be on the 1st of December, if I'm not mistaken. Then it began to crash again, and now we have it at $23,389. So a lot of people that didn't sell at this peak have been liquidated. So it is very vital to take profit when coins are at their peak. It is not your father's house. It will not remain like that. This is one thing you need to understand. So take profit when coins are at their peak. So with these three mistakes I made while trading cryptocurrency, I believe you will learn from them, and you also position yourself so that you don't make those mistakes, and a kind of see that you achieve whatsoever you are destined to achieve with a minimum time, within a minimum range of time. So this is all we can take for this video. And don't forget, if this is your first time of coming to this channel, remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell below so that when I create new videos, you'll be allowed to receive them. And also, if you have any question, drop it on the comment section, and I want to hear from you people. Maybe you could recommend any of these areas you want me to a kind of shoot videos on cryptocurrency. I'll be here to do just that. So trade wisely, my friends. Have a nice day. Bye for now.